milk making materials, lots of food, and land already cleared by Indians.
Are the Indians still there?
No, all the Indians must have died earlier.
Well, then we better get going. Board the boats! We are going to shore! No! I don't want to go and you can't make me! I'm so excited!
Pull yourself together. It will be all right.
Is that it, Jared?
We will build our houses here! I'm so weak.
Bleh.
Hold on, Sonny. Don't go yet.
He's a goner. That ought to do it.
I'm sure gonna miss my
He's in a better place.
Here's our leader.
Okay.
Is that it?
Didn't get it. There, he said there's 2 more scenes.
How are you? Good.
You?
I am good too.
Yeah, good. You do bad. Me good. You invade. Not. You me not. We help if you go invade.
Okay. So I won't come and attack you. Does that sound good? For your help?
Mm-hmm. It's a deal.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the distributor of corn. She will pass out corn for all of you to plant. Oh, I love corn.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you. You're the most beautiful distributor I've ever seen.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Jared, show your muscles. Okay.
I squatted. I teach you how to stand corn and also other things too. First, dig a hole. Then, stand corn. Then, cover and stamp flat.
Can I try?
Yes! Here's a example.
Dig hole. Uncover. Plant seed. And cover and stomp. Will you do it?
No, you have to stamp. Ooh, there you go.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, you can try too. There you go. Oh, it's such a cute unicorn. So cute.
Ooh, she did it lightly.
Oh, you want to hunt a fish? Here you go.
I'm hungry. I'll eat the corn.
No. You plant, then you get more corn. One corn not
Plant
good.
the corn.
Good job. Now I teach more. First you teach to hunt. Hard. I mean. There. Ah! Good. Yummy to eat.
Yummy.
Yummy, I love venison.
Good to eat.
Ow.
Don't eat raw.
Oh.
Don't eat raw. Make fat stomach ache. Now I teach
I'll go
you.
cook it.
Good, you go and cook it. Now I teach to fish. First you get your pole and you go woo. Then you dip it up and down. Woo. Then when you think you have one, you go woo. And then if you miss, you try again.
Can my daughter try that?
Yes! Woo. Put it in the pot. When you think you have fish, you fling it out of the pot. You got one! Oh, this is very good. You can eat raw. Oh, good. Okay. You don't want to? That's fine. Now I teach to gather. First, you get your gatherer and you gather. Good to
Looks yummy.
eat. You want to try?
Yes. Oh, yummy. Oh, it's delicious.
Muy delicious. But I must go. I have a meeting with patients. It's very important.
Thank you so much for coming.
Welcome anytime. Except for during meeting. This was worn by John Carver, the leader of our town. Now you have been nominated to be the leader.
Well, where's John Carver?
He's dead.
Oh,
Remember?
right.
He was buried at night. You weren't there because you had a call. Now you are Bradford! Hooray! Our new leader! Yay! Yay!
First to shake your hand, leader.
Oh, me next! Now you go to leader house.
All right.
Goodbye.
coming to dinner with us. I don't think we're gonna have enough.
I only have 2 fish.
I'll keep gathering. Oh, good! You shot a deer. Now we'll have enough. Yay! Now we can have a big feast.
Hooray!
Button.
So good the Indians could join us for this great feast.
It is wonderful.
We're so grateful we could have so much food.
I'm grateful we're still alive.
Yeah.
I'm grateful that we could have Jesus
Me too.
Last year we had a tough winter, but this year we will not stop.